Saturday morning, jumped on my bed. I put on my best suit, knock on your door, a place like a jade, all the way to you. I knock on your door, you're in my heart. To answer your question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Hey, hey, hey. Can I your daddy for the rest of my style? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say you never get to place into the day. I dare to look my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know human too? Why you gotta be so rude? I'm gonna marry him anyway. Marry that girl, marry him anyway. Marry that girl, we'll be a family. Marry that girl, we'll be a family. Why you gonna be so rude? Rude. Da 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 da.